In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an A4 document in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're drafting a professional report or designing a flyer, creating a perfectly sized A4 document is crucial. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the steps to do just that. First things first, head over to canva.com. You'll want to make sure you're signed in, which you can do by clicking the login button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account already, no worries. Signing up is quick and easy. Canva offers a variety of login options for your convenience. You can choose to log in using your Google or Facebook account, or simply enter your email address if you prefer. Once you're logged into your Canva account, you can start the process of creating your A4 document. Now that you're logged in, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. There you'll see the option to create a design. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to an array of design possibilities, allowing you to customize your project to suit your specific needs. After clicking create a design, you will be greeted with a drop-down menu. Here, select the option labeled custom size. If you're not familiar with custom sizing in Canva, it allows you to enter the exact dimensions you need, ensuring your document is perfectly tailored to your requirements. Now let's ensure we have the correct dimensions for an A4 document. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a section for entering dimensions. Before you do anything else, change the unit of measure to millimeters. It's essential to use the correct units to achieve the standard A4 size. Once you've set the unit to millimeters, enter 210 for the width and 297 for the height. These are the precise measurements for an A4 sheet of paper. With these dimensions in place, you're setting up a document that will be perfect for printing or sharing digitally. The final step is straightforward. You'll hit the create design button and that's where the magic happens. Canva will generate a blank A4 canvas, ready for you to unleash your creativity. You now have the freedom to add text, images, and other design elements to bring your project to life. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created an A4 document template in Canva. This process is quick, efficient, and ensures your design is perfectly sized every time. So go ahead and start creating designs that are both aesthetically pleasing and professionally formatted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you with your next project.